What sets Chimes apart from the other restaurants we've done, it's the atmosphere they're trying to create. Hi, I'm Anne-Michelle Vizinal, Senior Project Manager for Kent Design Build, and we're at the Chimes restaurant in Lafayette, Louisiana. We're about 3 feet off of natural ground, and this is not a typical situation. The reason why we're so high up is because we're in a flood zone actually on just this corner of the property. So the building is built up to meet flood requirements, but then the rest of the site is lower because we're trying to salvage the oak trees. We're having to dirt form the job, and we have such deep footing. So when you're this high off the ground, we pretty much have a 5-foot deep footing. Here you can see the 2 oak trees. This is where our lower deck will be. Actually on the Chimes, they'll have the inside dining where you have the bar and just the dining areas, and they'll also have an oyster bar. But then as you step outside the building, there's a raised patio. In addition to the Chimes restaurant itself, we also have the whole site we're developing. We're creating a whole new driveway to come off of Collie Saloon and Camellia and also Starling Lane. It'll be like a T-shaped driveway connecting all the roads together. In addition to the roads we're doing, we also put drainage infrastructure for all the roads. You can see right here we have a catch basin, and everything is lower because the way we're competing with existing roadways in those drainage elevations. We actually had a lot of issues with site utilities because we're with so many things on the site that are existing, and then getting water to the site because this whole site was not developed yet by LUS. We actually have a 12-inch line coming all the way from Starling all the way up here, and it tees off, and this is where the Chimes gets all their water. This is actually the delivery entrance for the Chimes. The idea is that trucks can make the turn off of Collie Saloon or come in another entrance, make the roundabout, and back up right here. The roundabout extends all the way to Starling Lane that way, and then the next driveway is going to be down the road and also have another oak tree roundabout that's going to connect to Camellia. So as you can see, the Chimes, it's not as easy as it looks. It's going to be a great restaurant at the end of the day, but there was a lot of effort, and the design team put a lot of work into making sure that we worked with all the obstacles we were given. But at the end of the day, it's going to be a great environment for everyone to come out and enjoy the restaurant. Thanks again for joining us. My name is Anne-Michelle, Senior Project Manager with Kent Design Build.